Magandang hapon po ng March 19, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 19, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, March 19, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM the result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 19, 2026 Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, March 19, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 19, 2026 Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.